AUD USD reattempts 0.7150 amid uptick in S&amp 500 futures. NTV4X.com News ID 4149C5 2 minutes ago by Dwani Mehta. AUD bulls draw support from USD selling, rise in S&amp 500 futures. AUD USD could be limited by US-China tensions, virus woes. RBA sees a bumpy road to recovery due to regional lockdowns. NBSP AUD USD continues to face rejection at the 0.7150 mark for the second straight day, as the bulls await a strong catalyst for a convincing break above that level. The Aussie is looking to extend its bounce above 0.7150 on Tuesday, underpinned by the resurgent US dollar supply across the board and the uptick in the S&amp 500 futures. The USD sellers returned, in light of the US fiscal stimulus wrangling, coronavirus concerns and record low US 10-year real yields. Meanwhile, a stronger US manufacturing data lifted the overall market sentiment, boosting the S&amp 500 futures in sync with the European equities. The buyers, however, face an uphill task due to the worsening virus situation in Australia and Reserve Bank of Australia's RBA cautious outlook on the economy. Victoria declared a state of disaster and announced fresh lockdowns to contain the resurgence of infections. The RBA kept its cash rate unchanged at a record low of 0.25%, at its monetary policy meeting held earlier today. But the central bank predicted that the economic recovery will likely be both a uneven and a bumpy. Looking ahead, the risk sentiment and dollar trades will continue to play out ahead of the US factory orders data and stimulus talks. AUD USD technical levels. The immediate upside will likely face stiff hurdle 0.71505 DMA. The next NBSP resistance NBSP is aligned at 0.7161 daily classic R1. On the flip side, the immediate support is seen at 0.7100 round figure, below which the 20 DMA at 0.7077 NBSP could be tested. AUD USD additional levels. AUD USD overview today. Last price 0.7144 today. Daily change 0.0018 today. Daily change percent 0.25 today. Daily open 0.7123 NBSP trends. Daily SMA 20 0.7059 daily SMA 50 0.6947 daily SMA 100 0.6621 daily SMA 200 0.67 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 0.715 previous daily low 0.7076 previous weekly high 0.7228 previous weekly low 0.7087 previous monthly high 0.7228 previous monthly low 0.6876 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 0.7104 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 0.7122 daily pivot point S1 0.7082 daily pivot point S2 0.7042 daily pivot point S3 0.7008 daily pivot point R1 0.7157 daily pivot point R2 0.7191 daily pivot point R3 0.7231 NBSP. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.